Here the complicated connecting wiring, and you want it to be like this, and like this. So let's get started the video. Hello guys, I'm Thany. Well, here is the KiCad software that you can search it on internet, and it is free to download. To make the PCB board, you can use this software to do it. It here is schematic, PCB, 3D, and after you download it, click on KiCad, and it's shown like this white background. And the first thing I want to show you is to create a new project. So now I'll show you how to do it. And as you can see on the top of the left side, you will see file, and you can click file, click on new project, and add name, and then you can save it. Because I want to make the project that relate with AMS, so now I add like this name, click on save, and then it will sound like this white background. And the other two things that sound is it have schematic and PCB board. And thank you guys.